could build the most airtight product and your customers will still need help using it. There is no steady growth or scaling up for a business without high-functioning, energetic support engineers. So gear them up with a robust plugin that can help both your customers and your support team. Hi, I am Shomudra and welcome to WPManageNinja. Today we're going to take a dive into what Fluent Support is and what wonders it can do for your business. Fluent Support makes things easy for you right from the start with its super fast installation. Set up the business inbox and staff information and you're good to go. So what can it do for your tickets? The Fluent Support dashboard is straightforward by design. Head over to the tickets page and here you'll find your support tickets with complete history. Find whatever you need with no hassle and no delay. You can view all tickets, just the ones assigned to a specific agent or the tickets that haven't been assigned yet. Besides, you can filter tickets based on waiting time, ticket ID, customer response time, priorities, and more. Wanna dig deeper? Use advanced search operators to find specific interactions or messages in seconds. Or you can use one of the coolest features of this plugin, rich filtering. Search for specific operators, customize your own conditions, and find the exact item instantly. Fluent Support lets you manage tickets in bulk, so you have more time for your customers. Use that time to know your customers as you can get a full overview of every customer right inside their tickets. To have an even better grasp of the problem, you can let your customers share files, set tags, and priorities. You can even create tickets on behalf of them. The ticket creation page lets you create new customers. If you want to view individual profiles of the customers, you can find them under the Customers tab. We get it, managing customer support is a hectic job, but it doesn't have to be messy. If you're handling support for multiple products, Fluent Support lets you manage separate inboxes for individual businesses. Switching between inboxes takes just a click. Live agent activity is here to save you from agent overlapping and collisions. Enter a ticket and you can see who else is viewing it, what's its status, and collaborate as needed. However, you won't have to manually assign tickets to each agent. Fluent Support can take care of that. Next, we have workflows. This lets you automate agent assignment alongside a number of other essential actions, such as adding tags, internal notes, or responses. Talking about internal notes, you can allow your agents to view or add internal notes so no one is left out of the loop. And did I tell you? Every time an agent is assigned a ticket, they will get an instant notification. I wanted to keep it brief, but there is more. So users could be submitting tickets through email. You know what doesn't sound like fun? Thanks to Fluent Support's email piping capabilities, instead of responding to email queries, you can just turn customer emails into tickets on your support desk, including attachments. So work has been made easy, but that's never enough for a business, is it? We need to know the numbers and figures to know how we're doing. We got it all under the Reports tab. This is where you get all the key metrics to evaluate your support activities. Here you get graphs showing resolve and response statistics for individual agents. As an admin, you will get even more detailed reports on the team's overall performance with ticket stats and resolve rates. If you are looking to analyze and improve your team's efficiency, this would be a great place to start. Speaking of efficiency, there has got to be a smarter way to deal with those repetitive queries. And there is. Fluent Support lets you have unlimited saved replies, so resolving those tickets will take next to no effort. As administrators, you can also view the complete activity logs and set custom privileges for each agent. So what is your team using to talk among themselves? If they're using Discord, Telegram, Slack, or WhatsApp, you can set it up with Fluent Support Pro. And once you do, they will get instant ticket notifications in their channels and groups. Since Fluent Support is shortcode enabled, simply paste the shortcode where you want your portal and that's it. Whether you're into e-commerce, online courses, or a simple membership program, REST API lets you connect Fluent Support without necessarily having to integrate. You can clearly see it's a game changer if you're using third-party forms for email marketing. Fluent Support is also equipped with incoming webhook. This comes handy if you're using multiple sites for your businesses, but need all support queries on one dashboard. Since you've made it this far, you're probably thinking you know all about Fluent Support. But you're wrong. Once you start using this plugin, you will find a lot more other features and fixes. I'm sure you'll find ways it can ease your work and make your life easy, and we want to hear about it. Let us know in the comments what videos you want or what features would make your Fluent Support experience better. Until next time, happy serving! You can create...
Can I start now?